Hello guys, thank you so much for opening this video. In this video I want to show you, this is a cargo tracker. It's basically a system to track the movement or the location of a cargo. In my country or Uganda, most of the shipping companies within the country are buses and taxis. So I developed it basing on what we have. Not maybe you might be in UK, USA, or whatever, India, but this is based on what we have in the country. So this this app, this application was developed in Laravel 8, and it's basic. It's just basic, but I just want to show you a demo in the form of a video so that you guys can go forward and download from GitHub and use it the way you want. Thank you so much. I want to download, I want to log in. I'm logging in. Of course, I can create a new account. I think let me create a new account and say this is it. First, okay. I just say John Mark. Email is Mark at yahoo.com, and the phone number 0773 The password world, hello world. I'll register. It's okay. The phone number has been taken already. Let me add the two. Okay. So I'm now logged in successfully. You can see uh, we have the new transaction. Okay, let me try to give you an overview of how the system works. This system, like I told you, it is based on what we have in the country. Uh, it just notifies one of the most important functionality of this system, that it notifies the sender and the receiver via an SMS. We chose an SMS because it is always easier, and most of the people, like where I come from, don't have smartphones. That means they don't have emails. Even those with smartphones rarely use internet. At times, if they do, they mostly don't use it for emails. So once you use an email, make sure that there are higher chances. You have to be sure that there are higher chances that the person, the recipient, will not be able to view or to read your email. But SMS are always easier within this country. So the system notifies the sender and notifies the user. I have four statuses. One is received. Once the cargo is received in the store by the operators, you get a notification. Once the cargo has started or the shipping of the cargo has started, the user and the sender they get a notification. Once the cargo has reached its destination, of course, the user and the sender will get the notification, and there is, the sender and the receiver, and the receiver will be able to go and provide the 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 cargo reference number and some few descriptions of the cargo, and then is able to pick it. If you can provide the user information, the sender information, the cargo name, the cargo description, and the cargo ID, you are able to receive or to pick the cargo. So once the cargo is picked, it notifies the sender and the receiver too that the cargo has been picked. So let's get started. So we have buses here. Uh, these are the buses we have. I'll not add any. We have four so far, and these are the locations. Each location has the duration of hours, the hours taken to reach that duration. So we are going to start with the new shipping. We are going to say that we are shipping what? We are shipping, let's say, a chemistry, okay, a programming level programming textbook. Yes. Mm, mm, Advanced programming with PHP level 8 by Mark Bright edition 2. So this is the description. And now we have the origin. We are sending it from Kampala. From Kampala, destination is Hoima. I'm sending it to Hoima, and I choose the bus. Let me use this one, UBD, and the sender is Daniel, and the phone number, okay, Daniel Mosasizi, Daniel Jones, and the phone number 0773034311, and the receiver is John, okay, Mary Daniels, let's hope she's the wife, and the number 07580, okay, 78709187. So once I click submit, let me check if the internet is on. Yes, the internet is on. Once I click submit, it will send an SMS to John Daniels, at the same time sends an SMS to Mary Daniels, both the receiver and the sender. So submit. It's okay. So at this moment, I'm very sure that John and Mary have received SMSs. I'm going to attach the the screenshots of the SMSs on my phone to you, because I put in my phone numbers. So we have this. That's done. So when you check in the shippings, we have the recent one is this one. I think you can see. But the thing can filter. You can filter according to cargo. You can filter by according to cargo name. So I have here laravel programming textbook by John and the receiver. So you're going to view. Once we click view, you can see we have the book, the description, the origin, destination, the bus, the hours, and the hours remaining, the duration, the receiver, and the sender. And then we go to statuses. So as an operator, you are able to change statuses based on what's taking place on the cargo. So here the status is, of course, it is received. We can change it to shipping. Once shipping starts, we can change it to shipping. Once the cargo has reached the destination, we change the status to reached. Once the cargo has been picked, we change the destination, the status to picked by the receiver. So the moment I click submit, I told you, like, on each and every status change, the SMSs are received on both parties. The sender and the receiver, they're notified via an SMS. So basically, that's how the system works. One last thing, maybe you want to check on the profile, you can change the name, the passwords, you can change them on the dashboard. Of course, we have this cargo delivered. Once this one shows that once the cargo has reached, like, we change our status to picked. Once the cargo is picked, it shows here that it has been delivered. What is shipping? This one is based on the shipping now. The status has to be shipping for you to know that there's what bus there. This number of cargoes being shipped currently. Yeah, movements by location. Basically, this is the system. I hope you have liked it. You can download it. It's free on GitHub. Just download it and you can use it the way you want. You can modify the design, everything. You can add in a lot of things, add in roles. You can add in a lot of things. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, you can like the video and subscribe, please. It's my humble request to you guys. Thank you so much.